Hello students, today we will continue with the chapter Measurement. This is our 6th part. Till now I have covered all about length and weight and the basic concept about capacity. So if you have not watched those videos, go and watch for better understanding. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it to get the updates. Let us start today's topic. Today we will continue with the topic capacity. In this, we will understand addition of capacity. So we have understood that there are two units, liter and milliliter in capacity. So today we will understand them to add two quantities of capacity. Example is add 125 liter, 673 milliliter and 73 liter 153 milliliter. These are the two numbers that we have to add. As we can see that there are two units, liter and milliliter. So we will make two columns, one of liter and another is of milliliter. Both of them will have separate place values, ones, tens, hundreds and different of liters, ones, tens and hundred. Now we will write the numbers in this column. Our first number is 125 liter, 673 milliliter. First we will write the milliliter numbers. So 6 will come in hundreds column, 7 in tens and 3 in ones column. This is the number of milliliter. Then it is 125 here. So 5 at ones place, 2 at tens and 1 at hundreds. Now we will put the sign of addition. Now we will write next number, 73 liter 153 milliliter. So here we will write according to the place value the numbers of milliliter in the milliliter column and 73 liter. So we will write 3 at ones column and 7 at tens. As there is no number for hundreds place, so we will write here 0. Now we will start our addition. Always remember we start with the rightmost column. So 3 plus 3, 6. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 will come here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now we will add liters column. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 7, 9. 1 plus 0, 1. So our answer will be 198 liter 826 milliliter. This will be our answer. This is how we add the different units of capacity together by making the column. Let us start with our next topic, that is subtraction of capacity. So we will understand subtraction with the help of an example. Subtract 9 liter 827 milliliter from 77 liter 770 milliliter. So how we will do this? We will do this in the same way. We will make columns of liter and milliliter and the place values. Let us write. First we will write this number as we have to subtract from it. So first we will write milliliters value. 770 will come here and 77 will come here according to the place value. Now we will put the sign of subtraction. Our next number is 9 liter 827 milliliter. Here it will come 827 and here 9. And below 10.7 we will write 0 as there is no number. Now we will start our subtraction. We will start with the rightmost number. 0 minus 7, we cannot do it. So we will borrow from 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 8, we cannot do it. 7 is smaller, so we will borrow from this 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 7 will become 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. So we will write 9 here. 6 minus 9, we cannot do it, so we will borrow from 10 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 6 will become 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. So we will write here 7. 6 minus 0 is 6. So what will be our answer? 67 liter 943 milliliter. This will be our answer. This is how we do subtraction, by writing it in columns and then subtracting it. I hope you have understood this. So this was all about the chapter measurement of class 3. In this we have covered length, weight and capacity. Please subscribe to my channel to get the updates and also hit the bell icon.